I'm going to show you how to create a Cardano wallet so you can buy and store Cardano NFTs. GeroWallet is one of many Cardano wallets that you can use, but we're going to use this one for an easy onboarding experience. You can download it by visiting GeroWallet.io. Go ahead and click Download. Click Add to Chrome. If you're using a different browser, click Add to the browser you're using. You should now see a pop-up that asks you if you want to add GeroWallet. If you agree to the terms and conditions, click Add Extension. A pop-up should appear that says GeroWallet has been added to your Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. Manage your extensions by clicking Extensions in the Tools menu. Click on the puzzle icon at the top right corner, and you'll see GeroWallet. Click on the pin icon. This makes it so you can easily find GeroWallet. Now you can click on the GeroWallet icon. Select your language, and you now have three options: create a GeroWallet, import an account, or connect a hardware wallet. If you're creating a Cardano wallet for the first time, go ahead and select Create a GeroWallet. Now it's time to put in a password. Check the following boxes to continue. This part is extremely important. Write down these words in the following order, save them somewhere safe. You will need them to back up and restore your wallet. Never share your secret backup phrase with anyone. Now you can click Unlock. After clicking Unlock, 15 words will be revealed to you. I'm going to keep mine blurred so you don't copy them. I recommend not storing your passphrase on any device that's connected to the internet. Please write it down on a piece of paper. After you've written down the 15 words, make sure to double check them for accuracy. Now click I understand that if I lose my secret backup phrase, I will not be able to access my funds. Now it's time to confirm your secret backup phrase. Please click each word in the correct order. After you have confirmed your secret passphrase, click Confirm. Now it's time to customize your GeroWallet. Let's begin by naming our wallet. I'm going to name mine My GeroWallet. I'm going to keep my wallet cover as is. Select Continue. Congratulations! You've successfully created your GeroWallet account. Here are some tips in keeping your secret backup phrase safe. Store multiple backups securely in different places. Never share it with others. Watch out for phishing. No one will ever ask you for your secret backup phrase, including GeroWallet nor EndMaker. Once again, if you lose your secret backup phrase, you will not be able to access your assets if you uninstall your wallet or forget your password. Click All Done. You can open the GeroWallet extension by clicking the GeroWallet icon at the top right corner of your browser, or clicking the puzzle piece to find the GeroWallet extension in the Chrome extension list. We're going to go ahead and click the GeroWallet icon. And there it is, your GeroWallet. With the GeroWallet, you can buy, send, and store Cardano NFTs. When you buy or receive an NFT, click Collectibles, and this is where your NFTs will be stored. Need ADA? You could buy it from an exchange or buy directly from the wallet by clicking Buy. Need to give someone your wallet address? All you need to do is go to the top right corner here, click on Copy. Now it's copied to your clipboard and you can give your address to anybody. You can alternatively go to My Account, go to Wallet Details, enter your wallet address here. Please do not use this wallet address for anything. It is for example purposes only. And there you have it. You've created a Cardano wallet for buying, storing, and sending Cardano NFTs. Thanks for watching.